Staring at raw national data feeds, it can feel a lot like watching that falling green code in the Matrix.
Oh, yeah, totally. Just a giant wall of text.
Right. It's this endless kind of numbing wall of numbers. But if you know how to look at the August 21st, 2026 Daily Tech Reader, you stop seeing the code. You start seeing these massive systems stretching to their absolute limits.
Gee, we really do.
So we've got this massive data dump of extreme weather reports, and it's sitting right next to, well, these huge shifts in the AI arms race. And our mission today for this deep dive is to pull the real story out of all that noise.
And, the contrast inside this data is just staggering right out of the gate.
Oh, for sure.
Just look at the physical map. Down in the desert Southwest, Phoenix is baking at 112 degrees.
Ouch.
Yeah, and Yuma is hitting 113. It's so intense that the National Weather Service had to officially categorize them as VRY height hot.
Wait, like the actual abbreviation?
Yeah, just VRY height. Very hot.
That is wild.
It is. And then, Wichita Falls, Texas is sitting at 108. But meanwhile, San Francisco is completely insulated at a cool, 69 degrees.
Okay, let's unpack this because I'm looking at this map and I get the 113-degree heat dominating the South. But why are states way further up north completely choking on smoke?
Right. It seems so disconnected.
Yeah, like Santa Fe, Boise, Yakima, their official logged condition isn't even a temperature, it's just smoke.
Exactly.
So are we letting this flashy VRY high-tot headline kind of distract us from a widespread air quality failure? I mean, how are those two things even connected?
Well, what's fascinating here is that the heat and the smoke, they're the exact same mechanism at work.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The extreme heat in the South creates these massive high-pressure systems and these entirely desiccated environments. So those systems basically act like giant atmospheric lids.
Oh, I see.
Right. They fuel the fires, and then they trap the resulting smoke in entirely different regions.
Wow.
So those VRYHE nodes down south, they tell you exactly why the sky is gray 1,000 miles away in Washington.
Man, so the heat is the engine, and the smoke is basically the exhaust.
Spot on.
It's a system that's just pushed to its absolute physical limit, bleeding over its borders. Which actually brings us to the tech headlines in this same data feed.
Oh, right. The AI stuff?
Yeah, because we are seeing that exact same kind of borderless friction in the digital world, too.
We really are. I mean, OpenAI just launched GPT 5.6.
Right.
And they're rolling out this unified AI workspace designed specifically for enterprise knowledge workers. It's a massive leap in capability.
It's a huge deal.
But right underneath that launch, the New York Times is actively seeking legal sanctions against them.
Wait, really? Sanctions?
Yeah. They're alleging that OpenAI basically withheld evidence about the exact data they used to train those models.
Here's where it gets really interesting, because the underlying mechanism here is just data scraping. Right?
Basically.
Like, these AI companies built these massive language models by essentially building a digital vacuum cleaner.
That's a great way to put it.
Right. They sucked up the entire internet, including all these copyrighted libraries of news, without asking the librarians.
Yeah, without permission.
Exactly. And now that GPT 5.6 is, trying to commercialize that knowledge for corporate workers, the original creators are just hitting them with a legal brick wall. It's like those 95-degree thunderstorms hitting the Southeast.
Exactly.
It's just inevitable explosive friction when massive competing forces collide.
Well, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, it's the inevitable friction of a system expanding way faster than the rules designed to contain it.
Oh, definitely.
OpenAI needs that massive training data to make GPT 5.6 functional, right?
Yeah.
But the Times is trying to enforce traditional copyright on a technology that inherently just ignores boundaries.
Doesn't care about borders.
Not at all. And it's not just happening domestically either. I mean, China's moonshot Kimi K3 is now officially matching U.S. frontier models.
And just to clarify, frontier models meaning the absolute cutting-edge AI, right? Like a GPT-4 or 5?
Exactly. The most advanced systems currently available.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, and Kimi K3 is dominating the top 10 on OpenRouter.
Which is essentially a massive public leaderboard.
Right, like a testing ground where developers pit different AI brains against each other, to see which is smartest.
It's like a gladiator arena for AI.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
And the fact that a Chinese model is matching the U.S. on that leaderboard, well, it shows that the international arms race is moving just as fast as the domestic legal battles.
Man.
Yeah.
So what does this all mean for the person who's just, trying to read their morning news?
Right.
Whether you are prepping for a commute through a 100-degree smoke-filled city, or You are trying to navigate a workplace that is actively shifting underneath you because a new enterprise AI just dropped.
Yeah, it's a lot.
We are all essentially operating in a world defined by daily extremes.
We are. We're living inside these massive borderless systems that have just completely outgrown our legacy methods of control.
Yeah.
I mean, a heat wave in one state dictates the air quality in another, completely ignoring state lines.
Right, just blowing right past them.
Exactly, just like a massive language model in just the internet, completely bypassing traditional copyright borders.
It's wild.
It really leaves us with a final thought to really mull over,
Yeah.
As these physical and digital systems continue to expand past our ability to contain them, are we going to have to completely redefine what a border even is in the 21st century?
Are the unpredictable disruptions in our physical climate
Yep.
basically mirroring the unpredictable disruptions in our tech? It really makes you wonder.
It definitely does.
We might finally be reading the Matrix code,
Mhm.
but the code is actively rewriting the rules on both sides of the screen.